In this video, I will show you how to purchase MLB All-Star Game tickets before they sell out. MLB does sell All-Star Game tickets on their official website, but what happens is they sell out very fast. So for that, if you really want to buy tickets, what you can do is utilize secondary marketplace. Go to any web browser. In the search bar, search for SeatGeek MLB All-Star Tickets. Then you'll find this URL from SeatGeek. Click on it. If you scroll down below, you can see here all MLB All-Star Game events. Click on any one that you want to watch. From here, you can choose the number of seats. Then choose the section where you want to sit. Then click on Continue at the bottom of the screen. Here you can put in your email. Click Continue. Then put in your phone number, your card details, and you will be able to buy All-Star Game tickets from SeatGeek. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.